Weary medics in Peru and Bolivia have been faced with a surge of COVID-19 cases. Resources are depleted and hospital beds are scarce in both countries. But unlike neighbouring Chile, vaccines are not yet being rolled out. Peru's Health Minister Pilar Mazzetti announced the virus infection rate was in a second wave this week. She had already confirmed the arrival of a new, more infectious strain.
We have detected the first person with a mutation of SARS-CoV, which is circulating around the world. This new variant is now found in our country.
After one of the world's strictest lockdowns, hard-hit Peru also experienced the world's highest mortality rate. But coronavirus cases had been gradually declining until the end of last year. COVID-19 cases have been noticeably on the rise since the Christmas and New Year holidays. But the detection of a new variant of the virus could accelerate that rise and put the country's weak healthcare system under increasing pressure.
Lima is
in a second wave. What we don't know is if it's a small wave, a medium-sized wave, or an enormous wave. But we are in a second wave.
Dr. Fernando Mejia, a specialist in infectious diseases at Lima's Cayetano Heredia University, said the detection of a new variant of the virus did not bode well.
This will definitely mean a rise in cases. We are already living in a second wave, and with this new variant, the cases will undoubtedly go up, and patients will need more hospital beds and more intensive care beds, which we no longer have. Consequently, in the coming weeks, the number of deaths will rise.
Peru's caretaker president Francisco Sagasti said restrictions on movement would be extended until the end of the month. He added an initial batch of 1 million doses of Sinopharm's COVID-19 vaccine was expected for the end of this month, part of a total of 38 million doses.
We trust that the first million vaccines will arrive before the end of the month in order to begin the whole vaccination process.
This week, former Bolivian President Evo Morales became one of many in his country infected with COVID-19. Hospitals are struggling to contain a new rise in cases there, just as leader Luis Arce says he's sealed deals with India and Russia for enough vaccines for the entire population. What's not yet clear is when those vaccines will arrive. Dan Collins, CGTN, Lima.